Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Codetastic. So today we'll be seeing the part 3 of 3 useful sites. So let's get started with the first one, which is excelformulabot.com. So this site will help you in your Excel and Google Sheets problem. As you can see, they have many options given over here. So let's get started. So first you have to create an account for that. So yeah, I'm giving the mail ID and you can hit on create account, and then it will send you a number in your mail. So you have to just paste it over there, and then your account will be verified. So once your account is verified, this will be the first page that you will be seeing. So here you can choose whichever option you want. They give you two options on Excel and Google Sheets. Here I will show you with Excel, and then here I am clicking on generate. So in generate, you will have to give your problem and then it will give you your formula. As you can see, here the formula is shown. So this way you can use this website and then you can copy and paste it in Excel and use it. It's a really helpful website. There's one more option in this, which is the second one, as you can see, which is explain. So here in explain, you'll have to give a formula or a statement and then hit on submit. Then it will show you on what is the meaning of it. As you can see here, it shows the meaning of the text that I have given in front, which is the formula. So here you can see what it means. So this way it will help you to learn more about Excel and Google Sheets. So it's a really useful website. The second website is tinywop.com. This website, as you can see, they have various options on editing. So there are so many tools which are for free, as you can see, in PDF, image, video, files, and there are many more such as QR code generator and all. So you can explore them. As you can see, there are so many useful websites. So there are remove background, PDF to JPG, split PDF and all. So these are 100% free, so you can use them. And then the third website, which is Socratic.org. So this website is a Google's website, so which helps you to find solutions to your problems. As you can see, they have various options given over here, and this will really help you to study. Like they use AI, and then it's available on both App Store and Google Play. So all you have to do is just download the app, and then as they have shown, you have to scan or you can talk it in voice, whatever your question is, and then you'll get solution for it immediately. It's a really quick and helpful website. And then I hope you liked this video of my channel. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.